ginawa umanong scapegoat si yumaong DPWH Undersecretary Catalina Cabral sa flood control scandal. Dahil dito, nagtangka siyang kunin ang sariling buhay sa kanilang tahanan. Sa panayam sa agenda ng Billionaire News Channel, sinabi ni Attorney May Divina Gracia na nagkaroon umano ng depression si Cabral matapos umanong idiin sa pagdinig ni resigned DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo.
Totoo po ito, nangyari po to on the day that she was implicated by Yusek Bernardo during a Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing.
Okay.
Because
yes.
she felt, she felt the injustice na siya, samantalang siya na from the very onset nagpakita ng cooperation and made her commitment to cooperate. She was being pilloried and was being made a convenient scapegoat. Pero si Yusek Bernardo is presumably one of the most guilty, is being lauded and allowed to evade criminal prosecution, which again, which to me is setting a very dangerous precedent.
Samantala, tiniyak naman ni Divina Gracia ang patuloy na paglilinis ng pangalan ni Cabral habang may flood control investigation.
And getting the authority from the family, tulad po ng nasabi na ni Ms. Cabral, we remain committed to helping in the investigation if only to clear her name, no?